Hi. Every child develops at their own pace, but there are certain definitive signs which warrant assessment or intervention when observed. These are developmental delays, or also known as red flags. So, what are some red flags when observed you should look out for and seek intervention at the age of 1 year? So, red flags at 1 year old are in the areas of gross motor development. If you do not observe the child, that the child is unable to stand up with support, the child is unable to crawl or move along while sitting, or doing any bear like, or even crawling, or bear like movements, is unable to do any of these are some red flags at the age of 1 year in the areas of gross motor. In the areas of fine motor development, if the child is unable to grasp things using his thumb and index finger, or if the child is not looking around for things which he was playing with, he's dropped something, is not looking for those things, these are some red flags. In the areas of communication and language development, if the child is not pointing to what he wants or his needs, like suppose he wants mummy to pick him up and he's not pointing out, these are some red flags in the area of communication. And in the areas of social development, the child is not playing with the finer parts of a toy. Suppose if the child is playing with a car but is not playing with just the wheels, or is not using gestures to communicate, like bye bye, or using some gestures like hand gestures, these are some red flags. So if you observe these red flags in your 1 year old, do seek for intervention, do seek for assessment.